Searching for types of braking in induction motor. There are different types of braking methods for induction motors, which are used to stop or slow down the motor speed. Some of the common types are regenerative braking. This method uses the motor as a generator and feeds the generated power back to the supply or to another load. This method can save energy and reduce heat dissipation. Regenerative braking can only occur when the motor speed is higher than the synchronous speed. Plugging or reverse voltage braking. This method reverses the phase sequence of the motor supply, which causes the motor to rotate in the opposite direction and produce a braking torque. This method can stop the motor quickly, but it consumes a lot of power and may damage the motor. Plugging braking should be disconnected from the supply when the motor reaches near zero speed. Dynamic braking. This method disconnects the motor from the supply and connects it to a resistor or a capacitor, which dissipates the kinetic energy of the motor as heat or reactive power. Dynamic braking can be further classified into AC dynamic braking, self-excited braking using capacitors, DC dynamic braking, and zero-sequence braking. These are some of the types of braking methods for induction motors. You can learn more about them by following the links in my response. I hope this helps you.